still reckon there's less corners going this way. Oh, the bloody mirror's gone. That's a bugger. Someone's run into the sign. The mirror's gone.
I think that's the, but just for not being on the bike for a while, that was about the best I've run that.
It's nice and smooth.
Yeah. Because I also know that there's no gravel because I drove it the other day.
Does help.
Yeah.
So do we go left down here?
Yes.
This Hallidays or?
Yes.
Oh. This one?
Yep.
Yeah. Holidays.
This was pretty clean until I got to the bottom. You know, the T intersection at the bottom.
Yep.
And we'll probably go right to do that bit with the arm code. And then go back into Strathfield Say.
So left and right though?
Oh yeah, left and then right.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you go right, it's a dirt road. There's a big bump over the crest going around to the right. Somewhere here. That. So keep going around.
Jesus Christ, is that someone's house or?
Say so.
Fucking church.
That'd be a
Holy shit.
6-car garage, is it? A 4-car garage?
Fucking ours looks like a bloody relocatable compared to that. We went and had a look at one they're building near Maryborough yesterday.
Yep.
And the quality looks good.
Yep.
Probably going to pick the same bricks and the same floor they've used.
Yep. Oh, so this was nearly at lockup. This was at lockup, nearly done.
Nearly done. So
yeah.
Just paint, touch up. The paint's finished. Just
yeah.
Up.
So they've done fit off.
Fit off, yeah.
Yep.
A couple of PowerPoints left to do and a couple of bits and pieces. Yeah, it's nearly done. But now they're saying, well, first of all, I said they'd have a slab by Christmas. Well, that's not happening.
Yeah.
Talked to the builder, so that's
the supervisor.
The actual supervisor, and he said, we'll probably start in February. He said, well, Simon said we'll start in January. Oh, yeah, well. I said, yeah, well, no one works in January.
Yeah, we have a month off.
Yeah, fucking I do, so.
Yeah.
And he said he's trying to get all the apprentices and that to take their leave so they don't fuck off in the middle of a job.
Yeah.
Everybody that's got leave, he's trying to encourage them to take leave. So.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Come on, guys.
Oh, we're around the corner to the left, I think.
Excuse me. Hay fever. Up the hill there.
Yep.
And these guys aren't going that way.
No.
Like it. Bit of gravel there.
Yep.
Oh, this is when we went past the bloody shit coming out the cow truck.
That's the one. You remember?
Yeah. Oh, which bit of tarmac do you want to be on?
Yeah. You've got choices.
It's up the inside, I think. Seems nicer.
Yeah. It looks grippier being on the outside, but then I think it has gravel on the exit.
Oh, how nice is that?
That is a lovely corner.
Yeah.